Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Swift Tech Tips. So today I am going to show you how to build a PC step by step. So let's start building after the intro. Step 1. Take out your motherboard from the box and keep it on the top of the box. Step 2. Installing the CPU. Open the lever on a PGA socket. Align your CPU's golden triangle with the socket's triangle. Give a little wiggle to the processor and close the lever. Then apply some thermal paste, but remember if you are using a AMD stock cooler, it is pre-applied on AMD coolers, so you can skip this part. Step 3. Installing RAMs. Open the tabs on the RAM slots and align the RAM with the notch and push it till the tabs close automatically. Also insert the RAMs on slot 1 and 3 or 2 and 4 cause it can help you to run on dual channel. Step 4. Motherboard installation. After installing the IO shield, align your motherboard with the help of your IO shield. Now check if the standoffs match and align the screw holes or standoffs. If you need to add or remove standoffs, use pliers or standoff remover to add or remove standoffs. After adding standoffs, you can screw your motherboard into the case. Step 5. Installing front panel connectors. Normally you will find the front panel connectors on the lower right corner of your motherboard. and you will find some markings nearby. If you don't find any markings about the power button, reset button, and power LED and the hard drive LED, you can refer your motherboard manual. After plugging in the front panel connectors, then you need to plug in the audio port, USB 2 port and USB 3 port. Step 6. Installing storage. If you are using 2.5 or 3.5 inch drives, usually you will find the hard drive bays on back of your case. Align the screws in the bay and screw them in. Then plug in the SATA cable in your hard drive, and the other part of the SATA cable on the motherboard SATA port. Step 7. PSU installation. Now we are going to install the PSU and align the PSU on the back of the case. Screw the 4 screws of the PSU . And align 24 pin and 4 and 8 pin on the motherboard. Then if you are using a SATA SSD or hard drive like me, align the eSATA cable next to the SATA connectors. At last, if you have a cheap Molex RGB fan like me, align the tabs and plug in the fans. Also, don't forget to line up a PCIe cable for the GPU if your GPU is having external power. Step 8. GPU installation. Open the PCIe tab, align your GPU, insert it. You will get a click sound. Screw your GPU into the PCIe bracket. Plug your PCIe power to your GPU and you are good to go. Step 9. Cable management. Just use the zip ties to tighten the cable so that it looks good. Step 10. Close your side panels. At last, screw the side panels in the case and you have built your PC. So guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. Consider subscribing my channel, and if you like the video, press the like button, and if you dislike it, press the dislike one. Thanks for watching.